All right, the elephant in the room. Is having good credit going to be a penalty? Is it going to hurt you on new mortgages after May 1st? It's a great question. Another great question, can you get a 40-year mortgage now? And can golfing actually save lives? I'm going to answer all of those questions. This is Steve Drew at Southwest Mountain Realty with the Drew team, here with another message to catch you up on the market. Let's start there. It is, of course, moving towards the end of April. So how are things going? We know the fourth quarter was a lot slower. First quarter was picking up. And as we start this second quarter in April, things are looking very, very solid. Basically, it looks like this. Right now, across the Phoenix Valley, we have 12,600 homes or so that are actively available. That is down about 10% from earlier in the year. So homes are moving, they're being sold, thus pendings are up. We're at about 10,500 homes pending across the valley right now, and that's an 8% increase. So no surprise, if we are closing 6,700 homes a month, which is what we did last month, the days on market is coming down a little bit. So right now we're looking valley-wide about 60 to 90 days is the average on the market, and it changes depending on the location. As an example, in the Santan Valley area, Florence, it's closer to 90, and in some of the other markets, it's closer to 30. But in general, your averages have really come back into what we consider normal, 60 to 90 days. So if you're looking to sell or to buy, we can help you accomplish that. We have done that for about 25 families already this year. And we have some great tools in how we can help you reach your goal. So reach out if that's something you're looking forward to. But now let's transfer back into some of those questions. I know a lot of you have been seeing articles and hearing about things out there. Number one, is there going to be a penalty for good credit on new mortgages after May 1st? Well, yes. Is it going to be a massive shift? No. Is it actually going to affect your interest rate? No. Is it better to have a bad credit score? No. So let's talk about this with some specifics. I'm going to pull out of an article that I read and a conversation that I had with our great lender, Jason Watina, just so that you have something to work with. So let's start with a decent credit score, but not the highest. Something like 650, 659 in that area. What does that look like for you if you're going to get a mortgage through Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac after May 1st? Well, it looks like this. Let's say that you are buying a $300,000 house and you're putting 25% down. It means that the cost of the loan is going to change. It's actually going to get a little better for somebody in that circumstance. It used to be that you'd pay 2.75% of the loan amount. Now that's going to be reduced to 1.5%. In essence, it's going to save someone in that situation around $3,700 up front. Those are the closing costs at the beginning. So there's definitely a benefit there. But let's say that you've got great credit and you're, say, a 740. What's it look like for you? Well, if it was before May 1st, that funding fee, or rather that loan cost, used to be 0.25% of the loan, 0.25. Today, now on May 1st, it's going to change to 0.375. Is it an increase? Yes. If you look at it on a $400,000 home with 25% down, it's about $40 a month if you roll the loan costs in. So it's not a massive difference, but it's a difference. However, if you've got good credit, 0.375 is a whole lot less than 1.5%. So does it pay to have good credit? Absolutely. With the new rules, it will reduce the benefit, but it's still a benefit. So it's going to help those with lesser credit. It's not going to help those with good credit as much, but it's not going to hurt them versus having lower credit. All right, now that we've got that out of the way, just remember, it's a simple calculation. At the same time, whatever questions you have, we can answer or get you connected with our trusted lender that can answer those specific questions. All right, so can you save lives by playing golf? 100% you can do that. We're going to be doing that in this coming month. We're going to be playing at a tournament and sponsoring a tournament that supports Phoenix Children's Hospital. It is Jackson's Heart Warrior Foundation, and it is specific to heart issues that are treated at Phoenix Children's. So keep an eye out for that. I'll bring you an update next month, and I'll put a link in our article here so that if you want to reach out and be supportive of that, you can do so. The week after, we are also sponsoring an event by the Veterans Club at Encanterra that supports, obviously, veterans and all of their needs. So that link will be there as well. In the meantime, please know if you have a question, if you need anything, we are here to help reach your goals. More important than anything, know that real estate is pretty stable. Those of us in the team, my wife and I especially, we have sold and bought real estate in the last few months. We can show you how to do so successfully, how to reach your goals, and we look forward to talking to you. Reach out to us by email, by phone, or see us on social media and Instagram and Facebook. And in the meantime, all the best to you.